All right, here's an overview of the cold pressor test part of our blood pressure experiment. You'll start by taking an initial baseline reading of your subject's blood pressure and heart rate. And again, pulse rate and heart rate are the same here. Immerse your subject's hand in ice water and start your timer right away. Make sure that the water and ice are in equilibrium so we know it's 0 degrees C. After they've been immersed for 1 minute, you will take their blood pressure as well as their pulse rate and record that, keeping their hand in the ice water bath. After 2 minutes, you again take their heart rate and their blood pressure. After 3 minutes, again, you take their blood pressure and heart rate. And at this point, they can now take their hand out of the ice water bath. Then you can continue on with your experiment, calculate their index of response and all.
Okay, so the noxious stimulus and blood pressure relation. I'm going to stick my hand in ice water that has been equilibrated, so a little bit of time for the ice and the water to reach 0 degrees Celsius. And once the timer starts, I'm going to immerse my hand, keep it immersed. My group mates will be taking my blood pressure and pulse for 1 minute after, 2 minutes after, 3 minutes after, while my hand is immersed in ice water the entire time. When we take the pulse, we want to take it from the carotid artery this time because, one, if I took it from my radial artery in the ice, that's not doable. And if I took it from my hand that has the arm that has the blood pressure machine, this big bone mamometer on it, there's no pulse during the time that the cup's inflated. So the carotid artery is the better artery to take beats per minute.
So now we're going to start this experiment. So I've got the timer here, and I'm going to go start as soon as are you ready to put your hand in the ice water?
I think so.
All right, so here we go. Start. She's got her hand in the cold pressure test, ice water, and at 1 minute, we're going to take the first reading. It's genuinely designed to cause pain, but not tissue damage, but it can be quite uncomfortable. Although...
Stop.
All right, so it's almost 3 minutes. At 3 minutes, okay, now it's time to take the final reading, our third reading. We'll have someone with her blood pressure and her pulse, and now we're done. You can get out. All right, you can notice there's that like kind of reflow. It's typical for your hand to get kind of bright red afterwards. Thank you for being such a great participant.